All right, quick court update. Judge Mitchell just denied our motion to set aside the arbitration ruling, which effectively ends the TRO that was in place. What does that mean? That means the city is moving full steam ahead with its sabotage plans for the Chicago Police Department and public safety. Members will be obligated under the arbitration ruling to get the Johnson & Johnson one shot or the first of the Moderna Pfizer shots by the 13th. Um, or apparently you're in a no paid status or fired. We have no idea because the city still, even at this late hour, has not explained to us or the department what that really means, what that looks like, and what that process is going forward. That's how mismanaged this whole process has been from the beginning. But in anticipation that this could be the decision, knowing that it's very unlikely and unusual for an arbitration ruling to be set aside in court, we had already started drafting an appeal in state court. That will be filed this afternoon, along with a motion asking Judge Mitchell to continue the TRO until the appeals court rules in on that motion. That's where we're at. I don't know what happens over the next 72 hours. All I can tell you is we are not going to stop punching. This easily can be all averted before this cliff becomes a reality by accepting the exemption requests, whether they were conscientious objections, which are still state law till July 1st, religious exemptions, or medical. All the department ever had to do was accept the exemptions that were submitted, and everybody would be in compliance, and we could move on to try and take guns and criminals off the street and making it safe for everybody. That does not seem to be the priority for the mayor or the superintendent at this point, who is allowing this to happen. He is allowing 35% of his members to be subjected to unemployment in the blink of an eye, like Thanos in Marvels. It's just absolutely stupid leadership. But it's never too late to do the right thing. And if the aldermen have any grain of moral fiber, they will not let this happen. They will mandate a city council meeting tomorrow to stop this from happening. Stay tuned. I'll have another update, I'm sure, either later tonight or early tomorrow morning. I could tell you that there's going to be a meeting with the arbitrator, the Lodge 7 attorney, actually the police union's attorney, and the city's attorney, Dave Johnson, at 9:30 in the morning. This was not scheduled to be part of the conversation. It was more about the discipline component, but it's absolutely going to be brought up. It is that important. He needs to know what his decision and the havoc it's going to cause comes, Monday morning. Stay tuned.